Dedicated Micros and AD Network Video welcome you to this video presentation on achieving real business benefits by choosing AD's specialized video and fire solutions. First, we'd like to tell you a little more about us. AD Network Video and Dedicated Micros are part of the AD Group. AD stands for Anglo Design, a British company with European-based manufacturing routes and global sales channels. We provide value-added video surveillance and fire solutions in the local markets, from the corner shop to national infrastructure to multinational organizations. Dedicated Micros was founded in 1982 by award-winning entrepreneur and British racing driver Mike Newton, the group's CEO and Chief Technical Officer. We've been operating globally for over 30 years, providing integrated networked video surveillance products and management solutions to a wide range of sectors, including retail, banking, education, healthcare, transport and infrastructure. We've achieved this through a specially designed and hardened video management and network security platform designed for 24/7 applications. Enhanced image processing innovation resulted in the development of FireView, the award-winning professional video-based smoke and flame detection solution, which we've provided to high-risk sectors for over 10 years. Our customers include the process industries, transport, petrochemical, construction, materials handling, and defense infrastructures. We are industry founders and stakeholders. We're creative, lateral thinkers. We're thought leaders, designers, and innovators. We invest in standards of quality, design, and installation, as you would expect from a leading member of the BSIA, the FIA, and many more prestigious industry associations. Our efforts have been recognized internationally, achieving many awards including the IFSEC Award for FireView in 2012, and many more over the years, such as the Queen's Award for Enterprise and the National Business Awards. Dedicated Micros people have also won awards for entrepreneurship and contribution to the industry. And to continue the theme of awards, our new CamView 360 IP camera was shortlisted in the 2013 IFSEC Awards in the CCTV category. At Dedicated Micros, we are long-term players, committed to bringing the right products to market in order to meet the needs of our end-user customers through our extensive network of channel partners and installers. So, that's just a little about us. Now, what about you? We want to ensure that you and your business are aware of the range and strength of strategic capabilities available from us, the world's #1 innovator in video, fire and surveillance management. And, by the way, if you need a detailed feature listing, we'll be more than pleased to provide you with one. We understand the problems associated with having a mixed CCTV surveillance infrastructure, problems like an aging estate of analog cameras, low quality or unreliable IP cameras, mixed control systems, network security problems, network bandwidth limitations and priorities, mixed buildings from small to large. All of these result in a high cost of ownership and increasing maintenance costs. Do you have any of these problems? Well, we have the solutions. And the technology of our sister company, AD Network Video, can dramatically reduce the cost of ownership. Dedicated Micros' license-free embedded software platform, NetView Connected, brings unparalleled benefits as a result of innovation in the capture, streaming and management of video. Storage is optimized through multi-mode, which we invented over 10 years ago to increase video resolution and record rate when an event trigger occurs. This trigger might be from a hard contact such as a gate, a PIR detector, or another video motion event. The rest of the time, when there are no triggers, the record rate is automatically reduced to save storage space and cost. Multimode brings the same benefits to IP camera network bandwidth management, as the resolution of streamed video is increased only when an event occurs, reducing the bandwidth requirement to the minimum when nothing of interest is happening. And as there is an ever-increasing interest in using shared IP networks for video streams, we understand the need for redundancy. So, through our dual streaming capability, we record video to the in-camera storage and simultaneously stream to another storage device, all safely and securely. That way, you don't lose vital video when the network goes down. Again, to optimize the use of mobile, wireless and wired network bandwidth, transcoding maximizes playback of video on remote devices when only limited bandwidth is available. This enables you to view recorded images at a lower resolution without having any effect on the original recorded high-resolution image. Multi-streaming provides multiple network video streams at different resolutions, bit rates and compression methods, enabling you and your colleagues to view video on diverse devices across varied networks. And to ensure your network is secure and not left vulnerable due to IP camera deployment, Dedicated Micros have achieved another breakthrough. We've applied our 30 years of experience in the video surveillance industry to provide a hardened video network, closed IPTV. This is a simple, self-configuring IP video network system which provides a hardened management layer added to standard IT industry protocols to guarantee IP camera security. Hardened systems are becoming the must-have requirement in high-security situations. Many stakeholders won't allow anything but hardened products on their networks, and at Dedicated Micros, we have the solution, unmatched by any other provider. For the IT people amongst you, that brings several advantages. Automatic and deterministic allocation of camera to port on Dedicated Micros' specially designed Layer 3 switch. Automatic camera configuration. Secure exchange of unique keys to detect intrusion. Automatic VLAN creation. Automatic firewall creation and lockdown to MAC address and port. All of this brings you fast installation followed by secure lockdown to protect the network from intrusion, lower cost of ownership due to simplified maintenance, and a lifetime of license-free use when you commit to NetView connected cameras. We understand that legacy analog and IP cameras have to be retained in order to increase the return on investment and to ensure the whole estate is operational. So we've thought about the hybrid transition. Our new HD cameras can be added incrementally, and through our video management solutions, analog and IP video can be managed side by side from the same user interface software. So you can see the wealth of technology benefits you enjoy when you commit to Dedicated Micros and AD Network Video's NetView connected solution. We can guarantee that no other provider can offer you all of these benefits. Let's take a look now at the specific issues we solve in industry sectors with our video and fire solutions. For example, in the retail industry, what are the most common risks? Well, there's internal and external theft, risk of avoidable slip and fall insurance claims, and maybe loss through fire. So, as a retailer, you would be looking to prevent loss from shrinkage at the till, theft off the shelves, theft in the warehouses, from health and safety issues like slip and fall in loading bays and warehousing and retail space, and also from warehouses through fire. Dedicated Micros solutions provide data integration capability, which enables the linking together of transaction till data and video in order to create tagged events when a suspicious transaction occurs. Our hardened network closed IPTV can fit with a PCI compliant scheme. FireView protects warehousing by sending an early warning of smoke or flame to the operator to review remotely and to make a decision as to whether action is required long before any conventional methods can detect and trigger. In the transport and logistics sector, what are the most common risks? In this sector, there's theft of goods, risk of avoidable insurance claims, loss of productivity, and loss of goods through fire. So, if you work in this sector, you're concerned about theft in transit, warehouse theft, warehouse fire risks, warehouse health and safety like slip and fall, process monitoring and efficiency, video management across moving assets. TransView, our integrated mobile video surveillance system, protects your vehicles, integrates with your in-vehicle systems, and seamlessly connects over your wireless networks. So, you can archive video and reduce the need for manual intervention. Our Enterprise Video Archive Management System, AMS, enables fast indexing and retrieval of video events from multiple vehicles, combined with health check diagnostics inherent in the product for estate management and maintenance purposes. Now, let's look at banking, What are the common risks here? Theft of cash from unmanned ATMs, cash in transit, transaction error resolution, network threats and security of transaction data, and, of course, bank robbery. Our extensive CamView and SmartView IP cameras provide high-definition and 360-degree vision of all risk areas, all transmitted over our hardened closed IPTV network. These images are centrally managed and displayed in the control room using our NV decoding and picker-point VMS system. Our DVIP ATM provides surveillance in the ATM itself, and TransView protects the cash-in-transit environment, together providing a completely integrated and seamless asset management solution controlled through robust embedded display devices. Now, let's take a look at high-risk sectors in a little more detail, companies who need additional fire protection. Our award-winning video-based smoke and fire detection system, FireView, provides unparalleled solutions for petrochemical, waste and industrial processing, the construction industry, listed buildings, aircraft hangars, road and rail tunnels, and power generating plants. FireView protects against loss of irreplaceable profits, contracts and national heritage assets. FireView is the only solution on the market which truly solves the problems arising from the size, height and the sheer scale of the assets presenting the risk, problems which conventional fire detection solutions cannot come close to solving. In fact, those conventional solutions force many companies to have to employ people at high cost and at high risk, because other detectors simply will not react in this environment. FireView detects smoke and flame within the field of view of the camera, which is far wider and deeper than any IR flame detector. It intelligently filters out objects with smoke-like characteristics. The camera view zones, combined with linked Boolean parameters and differentiated sensitivity, enable the product to be beneficial in the most challenging environments, such as tunnels and waste processing plants. FireView stands apart from conventional systems because it recognizes environmental factors, learning them and eliminating false alarms generated when the factor occurs in the scene again. It masks out areas of no interest to the detector. It sends alarms to remote operators automatically for visual verification prior to alarm response activation. It provides a local user interface to enable review prior to alarm response activation or suppression equipment activation. It provides forensic recording of smoke and flame tests for repeat alarm maintenance. It enables remote management and commissioning to reduce the cost of ownership. And it's managed through the same user interface as the NetView connected video surveillance systems. We'd like to thank our customers for their business over the last 30 years, and we look forward to working with you in the future. We look forward to showing you how you can benefit from the world-leading solutions provided by us here at Dedicated Micros and AD Network Videos.